I never thought I'd find a goldmine YouTube niche while texting my sister, but what happened next completely changed how I make money online. While helping her understand an English word, I went down a YouTube rabbit hole and discovered this channel called Mr. English Channel. It's only 6 months old, yet already has over 600,000 subscribers and nearly 14 million views, all from simple, podcast-style English learning videos. And here's the crazy part. These videos don't use actors, fancy cameras, or even your face. They're built completely with free AI tools. After testing dozens of niches for years, I can tell you this one is different. It's not just trending, it's evergreen, because millions of people search for ways to learn and practice English every single day. Once your videos are live, they get views for months, even years. The algorithm loves this type of educational content because it keeps people watching. In this video, I'll break down exactly how these faceless channels work, how to create the same style using AI, and how you can start earning even if you're completely new. Alright, let's get started. The first and most important step is your video title. If it's weak, no matter how good your video is, it won't grab attention or get clicks. Your title needs to do 3 things. Tell viewers what they'll get, create curiosity, and stay under 55 characters so it looks clean on mobile. Since we've already studied our top competitors and seen what works, we'll use their best titles as inspiration. I've already tested and prepared the most effective prompts you can use, so you don't have to start from scratch. You can find that prompt, along with all the others from this video, in the document linked below. Just copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and you'll instantly get a list of powerful titles to choose from. Now we can create the perfect script for any of these ideas. To do that, head over to the document I made. Just copy the master prompt, go back to ChatGPT, paste it in, and then drop your specific topic right here. Once you've added the topic, hit enter, and boom, ChatGPT will instantly write a full detailed script for you. But here's something really important. Don't just copy and paste the AI script directly. Take a few minutes to read it through and rewrite some sentences in your own words. That's what makes your script sound more natural, more human, and less robotic. Trust me, it's a small step that makes a huge difference. Once your script feels polished and personal, it's time to turn it into an AI voiceover for your video. For this part, we're going to use ElevenLabs, one of the best tools out there for realistic voices. When you open ElevenLabs, head to the Voices section right here. You'll see a filter option that makes picking easier. For this video, let's set the language to English and select an American accent. Since we are making an English learning video, browse through the voice options and listen carefully to a few samples. Pick one female voice for the first host and one male voice for the second. For this video, I'll use the educational Eric voice for the male host, and for the female host, I'm choosing this one right here. Both voices are clear, confident, and easy to understand, which perfectly suits the English learning niche. Now let's start with the male host. Copy his part of the script. You can either paste it all at once or one line at a time into the ElevenLabs dashboard. In my case, I like doing it one by one to make sure everything sounds just right. Once you've pasted the text, hit generate, and ElevenLabs will create your voice clip in just a few seconds. When it's ready, download the file directly to your computer. Repeat this same process for the female host. Copy her lines, paste them into the dashboard, hit generate, and download each file. Make sure all your dialogue parts are done. And that's it. You now have your complete voiceover ready to use in your video. Now it's time to create the visuals for your video and for this niche. It's all about that podcast studio aesthetic. I recently found an awesome platform where you can generate these kinds of images for free. It's called Whisk. Here's what you need to do. Go to the document I created for this video and grab the prompt that's already in there. Read it over, tweak a few details to match your brand's vibe and color style, then paste it straight into Whisk and hit enter. In just a few seconds, Whisk will generate a podcast studio image with 2 hosts sitting in the setup. And that's it. You literally only need one image, and the whole process takes less than 5 minutes. That's what makes this niche so powerful. The scalability is insane. You can easily post 3 or more videos a day with minimal effort. Alright, visuals, done. Now, to make your video more engaging, let's add some background music. If you check out the top channels in this niche, you'll notice they all use warm, upbeat tracks, something that adds energy but doesn't distract from the voice. To get high-quality music for free, we're using Suno AI. Head over to Suno, create your account, and open the music creation tool. Once you're in, close the lyrics section. We only want instrumental background music. Now, go back to your ChatGPT tab and type What style of background music would fit best for the script above? ChatGPT will suggest a few styles. Copy the one you like, return to Suno, and paste it into the prompt box. Give your track a title, click Create, and Suno will generate a few options for you. Listen through them. Pick the one that fits your video's vibe the best and download it to your device. And hey, if you're finding this tutorial helpful so far, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Now it's time to bring everything together. And for this part, we're using CapCut. So open CapCut and import your voiceover, your Suno music, and the Whisk image we created earlier. Start by dragging your voiceover onto the timeline. Trim out any dead space or awkward pauses. We want the flow to sound natural and tight. Now take your podcast studio image and stretch it to fit the full screen. We're going for that clean, professional look. Next, set your aspect ratio to 16:9, since that's the standard format for YouTube videos. Alright, now let's add some effects. Click on Effects, Video Effects, and you'll see a ton of options. For English learning content, I like subtle motion effects, nothing too flashy or distracting. Pick one that fits your vibe and drag it across your entire timeline. Next, let's add some visual elements that the most successful channels in this niche use. Sound wave animations. They make your audio look alive, pulsing as people talk. Subscribe button animations. A quick, gentle reminder for viewers to subscribe. Position these elements where you want them and extend them across your timeline for a consistent look. Now, import your background music from Suno AI. Drop it in, trim any extra length, and this is critical. Lower the volume so it doesn't overpower your voiceover. You can also add captions if you want. It's optional, but captions are amazing for accessibility and help keep viewers watching even when the sound's off. Once everything looks solid, preview the full video from start to finish. Watch for any awkward cuts, volume issues, or timing problems. If everything flows smoothly, you're ready. Click Export. Set the resolution to 4K for maximum quality and hit Download. And that's it. Your video is complete and ready to upload. Now, let's take a look at how it turned out.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy English Chats, the podcast where we help you speak English every day.
Yeah, I'm Jake, and today we're talking about small talk. Those short, friendly conversations you have with people, like at work, in a cafe, or even on the bus.
This episode is called Learn English with Small Talk, Gorge in Daily Conversations for Confidence.
Don't forget to subscribe and practice with us every week, mate. We love learning with you.
Just look at the result. It's amazing. So, if you follow these steps exactly the way I showed you, you'll be able to create professional AI English learning videos with ease. Once you build a channel like this, you're not just posting English videos, you're creating a long-term asset that can pay you every single month. I hope this video was helpful for you to start your YouTube journey. If it did, don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment. That's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one.